Moving to our next question. You have an Azure storage account shown in the following exhibit. Use the drop down menus to select the answer choice that completes each statement based on the information presented in the graphics. This is the hot area. You can use for Azure table storage and you can use for Azure blob storage. This is the correct answer, the ones highlighted in the green. Moving to our next question. You have an Azure storage account named Storage1. You have an Azure service app named App1 and an app named App2 that runs in an Azure container instance. Each app uses a managed identity. You need to ensure that App1 and App2 can read blobs from Storage1. The solution must meet the following requirements. First, minimize the number of secrets used. Second, ensure that App2 can only read from Storage1 for the next 30 days. What should you configure in Storage1 for each app? To answer, select the appropriate option from the answer area. This is the hot area for App1 and App2. This is the answer part, the ones highlighted in green. Moving to our next question. You have an Azure subscription that contains resources shown in the following table. This is the table for name, type and resource group. The status of VM1 is running. You assign an Azure policy as shown in the exhibit. You assign the policy by using the following parameters. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The statements are: an administrator can move VNet1 to RG2. Second statement, the state of VM1 changed to deallocated. And statement third, an administrator can modify the address space of VNet2. Answer part. We find that the first statement is correct and the other two statements are wrong. Moving to our next question. You have an Azure subscription named Subscription 1. Subscription 1 contains resources shown in the following table: name and type. VNet 1 is in RG1. VNet 2 is in RG2. There is no connectivity between VNet 1 and VNet 2. An administrator named admin1 creates an Azure virtual machine named VM1 in RG1. VM1 uses a disk named disk1 that connects to VNet1. Admin1 then installs a custom application on VM1. You need to move the custom application to VNet2. The solution must minimize the administrative effort. Which two actions should you perform? For answer, select the appropriate option. This is the table for first action and this is the table for the second action. Now this is the correct answer, the ones highlighted in green. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel.